Hello, today I want to show you how to crochet simple heart. You can use any yarn and fitted hook. I will show you how I made one of them on the blue one. They're exactly the same pattern for every single heart. Let's start. For the work I will use crochet yarn 50 grams 220 meters and crochet hook 1.75. Make a magic ring or sliding rope. Make a cross. Grab the hook, put it under the cross. Grab the working yarn, bring it up, cross it. Grab the yarn and make chain to secure. Now we will work in this magic ring. We will make single crochet. Now half double crochet, yarn over, go in, yarn over, work through 3 loops. Now make double crochet, yarn over, work through 2, yarn over, work through 2. Treble crochet, 2 times yarn over, go in, bring it up, work through 2, work through 2, and work through 2 loops. 3 chain and single crochet into the ring. Make it tight, yarn over, work through 2. Half of our heart is ready. Now make other side in reverse way. Chain 3, treble crochet, yarn over, work through 2, through 2, and through 2. Double crochet, now make half double crochet and single crochet. Another half is ready. Now we will make lower pointy part. Half double crochet, double crochet, and again half double crochet. That's it. Now you can remove your hook, cut the yarn. I usually leave 12-15 centimeters. Now you can pull up the working yarn. Now you can pull up the short tail, what we were started on. Make it tight. And now we will make invisible slip stitch. Insert the hook from the back to the front. Grab your working yarn, you just cut it on. And now it's on the back side. Now see the loop, the last loop we made half double crochet. Insert the hook from the back to the front under 2 loops. One is slip knot and another one is back loop. And bring working yarn. See, we have nice edge. Now we can hide these tails. You can tie the short tail. Use a needle to hide all the tails. It's a little bit easier. Just hide it between stitches. Go front and back 2-3 times to secure. Make exactly the same way with another one. Now you can cut the tails. This is the wrong side. And this is a face side. All done. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.